Good day everyone. I am student Material Media and its students of Luan National High School. But first, what is multimedia? It's a form of communication that combines different content forms such as text, audio, image. What is multimedia? Animation or video in a single interactive presentation. You contrast through traditional mass media which features little to no interaction from users such as printed material or audio. Recordings, popular examples of multimedia, include video broadcasts, audio slide shows, and video show. So about how ICT, what is information and
What is ICT? ICT means technologies is a broader term for information technology which refers to all communication technologies including the internet, wireless networks, cell phones, computers, software, video, conferencing, social working, and other media. Application and services enabling users to access, retrieve, store, transmit, and manipulate information. In a digital form, ICTs are also used to refer to the convergence of media technologies such as audio-visual and powerful networks with computer networks by means of the unified system of cabling or link system. What are their benefits to the 21st?
What benefits of ICT? First, it improves problem combining visual video and animations with text, stimulates the brain, the retention and attention of students improves in these conditions. Students can recognize and solve difficulties more quickly in a multimedia learning environment than a scenario where teaching is fully visible through textbooks. It also gives a better understanding.